Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Just a quick update. I have the first clock running. I'm really impressed with this design. It went together pretty easily. The only difficulty I had, there's a clutch for the time adjustment. And I've had a little difficulty getting that work. I've sent an email to Steve seeing if he could give me some advice. But other than that, what's really neat about this is the parts are very low cost. It runs on a Arduino Nano, which is about $5 each, and that drives a stepper motor. And one of the things that the design comes with is software to load onto the Arduino, and you can adjust the timekeeping to basically any fraction of a second that you want. Initially it was running a little slow, so I think I've overcompensated, having it run a little bit fast. I'm just checking it right now, and then I can adjust it again. It's a simple matter of just changing a value and then recompiling the software and loading it onto the board. But it's fun to watch all the gears. You can see them moving. So the second hand gear, then there's a whole gear train that eventually gets down to the hour hand. So it's interesting to watch. I've got my pocket watch here just as a comparison. So this is running about a minute fast right now, maybe a little bit more than that, so I'm going to adjust it. But I just want to see it run a day without stopping. So I've had a little trouble with that clutch slipping, so I think I've got that fixed. I'm over here printing parts for another one. This is what I'm going to do. Black is the case, and the gear is still in the gold color. I did switch to PETG. I had a little trouble with some PLA breaking on me, and the PETG is just a little bit more strong, so I'm going to give that a try. And then I've already got a third one planned. I'm going to maybe print this and send it to my friends Richard and Barbara at Greengate. So I just got these filaments from them. This is a really interesting gold. Let's see, Jurassic Amber. And I love the Billy Rubin cherry pie. So I'm thinking of making it gold gears and the case in the Billy Rubin. Very similar to what I did on this one. That's the Billy Rubin right there. I wish I would have done the dial in black and white instead of gray. But it's a learning experience. It's a lot of fun to experiment with. Well, thanks for watching. I'll be posting more later. I'm going to put a link again to Steve's design on My Mini Factory and his Etsy. He does supply a little circuit board that you can purchase. I've got 2 more in order, but here's what it looks like. It just fits right on top of the Arduino then and does all the conversion to run the stepper motor. Well, thanks for watching. Leave me any comments if you want to. Thanks.